Hello everyone, welcome back to Data Nash. You already know sum, count and average. So today we are learning the next set of essential Excel formula that every beginner should master. Start with first one. First one is text cleaning formula. This formula will help you with inconsistent text. So first one is proper. Proper. What proper will do? If you select the cell, it will change the first letter to capital one. So this is, so instead of like capital one, we should just make a simple change. Again, it will do the same thing. Okay, so instead of proper we can use upper. Upper will make every letter to capital letters. See, uh, also we can use lower. So what lower will do, lower will make every letter to lower. See, so these formulas are basically perfect when names or categories come in mixed formatting, so it's mean to change them according to your needs. Second one is len. Len is used for counting the character in a particular cells. So let's use the formula len and select the cell from which you want to know the number of character. Here it is. In this one, the lens use the spaces also as a character itself, so that's why it's 10. Third one is trim. Trim is used for removing extra spaces. Okay, so let's use this one. Trim and select the cell from where you want to remove the extra spaces. Here itself. Okay, so let's make the change in the here so that we can know. See, here itself and here itself. It automatically trim the first two or three the spaces. Now fourth ones are left, right and mid. These are used to extract portion of a text. Like if you want only the first one, so that we can use that one, left, right and mid. So for the first, we will be using left, and we will select the cell and how many character we want. We just want 4 characters, so we will go with 4. All the 4 would be there. If we want more than 4, like let's go for 6 so that we can count j also. 6 here it will be. Okay, so let's go with 4 for time being. And we can use right. Right is used for the last character itself, so let's write. Use the right for selecting the Josie itself. So Josie's is like 5. So we can give 5, and write what will do, it will give us the last 5 character. Okay, it will give Josie. So we also want A in that one. So for that one, we want N itself in Josie, N space then Josie. So that means we have to go for 7. So let's select 7. Here it is. Okay, so timing, let it will be. And if we want middle one, let's suppose we want an space j, so then we will use mid. Then we will select the cell what we want, and now we will select from which character we want our trimming to be started, like counting to be started. So we want from 3, and from where you want, like how many character from here you want. Let's go for like 4. After 3 we want to move to 4 more character. So here it is, an space j, that is 4 character. So this is used for splitting IDs, code name and product number. If we want to combine two column or text in a single cell, so we will be using concatenation or and. So let's start here itself. Let's start. So one way how you can do is using the concate. Just concate. Select the column. Let's select this one. Select the column, and in between space, if you want to provide a space, then only in between space. Then select the second one which you want to be combined. Enter. Here how you will do it. Drag down to automatically update. And the other way is directly using and. So let's go and select the cell, and if you want space, then go with inverted comma space again, and then select the second column. Enter. Here it did. Just drag down, and it's already done. So combining text is basically used for creating full names, joining codes, and formatting your reports. Next is date formulas. Date formulas are used to get the today's date and time. So for just the today's date, we can use today itself, today, and it will provide the today date itself. Okay. And if you want time also, so we will use now. Now will basically give us date as well as current time. So time also. And these two formulas are used for real time tracking, which is great for dashboard. Next one is if. If is the most important beginner logical formula. This is used for checking the condition and return a result. So let's go. So our basic condition is if a salary is above 50,000, it should be high, and if it's lower than that, it should be low. So let's start with if. If we have to give a cell or a number from which you want to like match it, select here. Now give the condition, what condition you want. So I want if that is above 50,000, then what if it's pass, what if it's true, then for that one we want to be high. Now what if it's fail, or what's if the what you want it's less than that, so that means for that we want to be low. So let's select this one. For 51,000 it's high, that is above 50,000. For 38,500 it's low. For 63,000 it's high. So you have to practice if condition again and again so that you should be good at it. This is the base of everything. If you are going to work in a MIS or as a data analyst, you should be able to build your own logic. This is basically like foundation for everything: grading, flex, status check, and multiple more things. And that's your beginner friendly Excel formulas video beyond sum, count, and average. These formulas will help you clean data, combine text, work with dates, and create smarter sheets. Okay, join me tomorrow. We will go deeper into practical Excel sheets. Thank you.